How to get $90 DoorDash coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in DoorDash coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for DoorDash. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for DoorDash. You can see that 50% off, 55% off, 40% off, and many more. You can hit towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it, copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at DoorDash. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for DoorDash. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. You can also check out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for DoorDash. So this way you can easily get up to $90 working coupon code for DoorDash. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.